Hello everyone! So ito na po yung announcement na sinasabi ko sa inyo kung paano mananalo ng free personal reading, and that is a video reading ng free of charge. All you have to do is to follow me dito po sa Facebook, then react dito mismo sa video na ito, whether it is heart, like, and then pangatlo, you have to share it dun sa wall ninyo. Of course, I have to see it and check on it kung talagang shinare ninyo, and comment bakit kayo ang dapat manalo ng free personal reading. So I'm going to announce the winner by the end of the month. Again, recap, follow me dito po sa Facebook. Second, mag-react kayo sa video na ito. Third, share it. And fourth, comment why you deserve to be a winner, para sa ating personal reading. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat. Napaka-easy, no? So, join the raffle and who knows, it might be you. Goodbye.